Benchmarking a product's user experience involves using metrics to gauge its relative performance against some kind of meaningful standard. Essentially, you're using quantitative data in a summative evaluation to see how you're doing. Usually, teams will set up an ongoing benchmarking practice. They might conduct a benchmarking study every year or after major iterations of the product or service. You might also compare against a competitor or against an industry average. So why should you benchmark? Benchmarking allows us to see how we're improving the design over time. As the design team, we can look back over the changes that we've made and assess whether we're making the progress that we'd hoped to. Once we've captured those improvements, we can also show them to others. Metrics are very useful for demonstrating the impact of design. For example, imagine we're designing an intranet application. For our most important tasks, we collect metrics before and after the redesign project. Stakeholders will be impressed if we can tell them that we reduced the average time for a critical task by 60%. But it's even more impressive if we can connect those metrics to revenue gains or cost savings. So maybe we multiply that time on task reduction by the average hourly pay for employees and by the number of employees. If we can estimate the amount of money we're saving as a result of these design improvements, that'll blow our stakeholders away. We can show how design work contributes to the company's goals. We can tell them exactly what they paid for with the project, and that will make them feel more confident in approving funding and resources for the next round of improvements.